Finally, it's over. Court dismisses Bwowe's petition challenging Nakawa West MP nominations. And we all know to it that the LOP, leader of opposition, comes from the side known as Nakawa West. And welcome to the Ugandan Stains, and this is Rokan David. The High Court in Kampala has dismissed a pre-election appeal challenging the nomination of parliamentary candidates for Nakawa Division West constituency, ruling that the Electoral Commission lawfully upheld their nominations despite the clerical errors on nomination papers. Candidates were invalidly nominated after indicating Nakawa West instead of gazetted Nakawa Division West constituency on their nomination documents. He had listed leader of opposition Joel Ssenyonyi Bisekezi, Happy Nasasira Ephraim Okuye Herbert Anderson Burora, Vincent Nobert Okumo, Wilberforce Chambade Rwamiti Apoli, and Electoral Commission as the respondents in the electoral appeal. Mr. Bwowe, a lawyer by profession, had argued that Nakawa West is a non-existent constituency and that the Electoral Commission lacked the authority to amend or cure defects in nomination papers after the nomination exercise had concluded. He sought orders declaring him the only validly nominated candidate and asked the court to direct the commission to declare him elected unopposed. However, the court upheld the commission's earlier decision, which had found that the omission of the word division was a clerical error that had been corrected during the nomination process through the control form signed by all candidates, including the petitioner. Justice Aselam noted that while the other contestants had written Nakawa West on their nomination forms, a control form specifically designated from Nakawa West Division was filled and signed by all the candidates and the returning officer, confirming the nomination of the candidates. The judge held that the Electoral Commission acted within its statutory mandate under Section 15 of the Electoral Commission Act to correct irregularities in the electoral process. He further relied on Article 126(2)(e) of the Constitution, which requires courts to administer substantive justice without undue regard to technicalities. So, Justice Aselam also observed that all candidates, including the petitioner, had demonstrated a shared understanding of the electoral area, citing campaign programs and other documents indicating an intention to contest in the same geographical constituency. The court further noted that the petitioner himself had been declared nominated under the same Nakawa West description in official declaration forms, an anomaly he did not challenge at the time. In dismissing the appeal, the judge cautioned against using technical errors to bypass the electoral process. So, the judge came out and really said that it is not gonna go in favor of Bwowe, but it's gonna go in the favor of the Electoral Commission. So your thoughts on to Joel Ssenyonyi over the moon after court has gone ahead to dismiss what was called an error by the Electoral Commission, and Bwowe should be declared the winner of the case and be declared the winner of this constituency, and Member of Parliament has been binned by the Electoral Commission. Your reactions to this are welcome in the comment section below.